Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're out in the warehouse and we are going to be looking at the MultiCyclone 16. So here we have it. This is made by Waterco. I'm going to open it up and kind of show you guys a little bit about it here. What this does is it's a pre-filter to your existing filtration system. So if you're somewhere like we are in Phoenix where it's very, very dusty, this is going to take out, I believe, don't quote me on this, I believe it's up to 80% of the small dirt before it even gets to your filters. There's a clear chamber here. It gets plumbed on top of your pump as water's passing through. It goes around these 16 conical, which just means cone-shaped, sections all the way around here. The water spins inside of there. All the dirt, because it's heavier than the water, falls to the outside, and you see dirt just slowly gather in this thing. Really, really cool item. It cuts down on backwashing, cuts down on changing your cartridges, cleaning them as often, and it's not crazy expensive either. So we've got them here at ePoolSupply. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.